If you think making money online with YouTube requires endless hours of filming and editing, think again. YouTube automation is revolutionizing content creation, allowing you to build a faceless YouTube channel that works for you, 24/7. AI-powered tools handle everything from scripting to voiceovers, turning raw ideas into polished videos in minutes. But here's where it gets even better. These tools aren't just about saving time. They're designed to boost your search engine rankings, ensuring your content gets discovered by the right audience. More views mean more watch time, which translates into higher engagement and, ultimately, greater monetization potential. But let's not stop there. Affiliate marketing is the secret weapon savvy creators use to supercharge their revenue. By weaving in carefully selected products and services that resonate with your audience, you can earn commissions on autopilot without ever appearing on camera. Pair this with AI-driven optimization, and you've got a make money online machine that scales effortlessly. Whether you're new to YouTube or looking to expand, the right automation strategy can turn your channel into a revenue-generating powerhouse. The only question is, are you ready to tap into this unstoppable momentum?
Today we are going to introduce you to our guru Matt and his splendid strategy, which is the Faceless AI channels. How to make money on YouTube, plus his completely no-cost training. The information on this YouTube channel and the resources available are for educational and informational purposes only. With Matt's teachings, we can endeavor to help you to do this. After you have watched this intro video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Feel free to refer this video to your friends, who will no doubt appreciate it. We want to help you with Faceless AI channels, how to make money on YouTube, so that you have the money to do what you want, live your life how you want, drive the car that you want, live in the house that you want and enjoy the partner that you want. In order for this to be the easiest way to Faceless AI channels, how to make money on YouTube, it has to meet a few criteria. Number 1. You don't have to get on camera or be some sort of influencer. Number 2. You don't have to create a product and a course. Number 3. You don't have to have a large amount of starting capital to do this. Number 4. It has to have a long lifespan, which means you do the work once, and then it can pay you regularly going forward for years to come. Matt believes that he has found the easiest way to how you can make money on YouTube without making videos, because it meets this criteria. As Matt says, yes, you can do it too. In this video today, we're going to give you an introduction to show you exactly what Matt is doing. The information that we are giving you is from Matt's experience. Matt went from a completely broke high school student at the age of 14, to now making $30,000 a month with YouTube. Matt wants to show you how to do the same. At the date of this video, 2025, Matt is about 24 years old, coping with a beautiful girlfriend. Matt believes that he has found the easiest way to make money on YouTube without making videos, because it meets this criteria. With Matt's teachings, we can endeavor to help you to do this. We are presenting an introduction to Matt's views on the easiest way to make money on YouTube without making videos. Matt started out as a 14-year-old and has spent years honing his craft. Now if you're watching this, I'm guessing that you like smart work over hard work. Matt is the same exact way. So, let's get into the easiest way to make money on YouTube without making videos. This, in Matt's opinion, is using ready-to-use video footage content platforms. Matt will walk you through exactly how to do this method in his free course. For starters, write down 10 things that you have an interest in. This can be literally anything: hobbies, what you read and watch, just for fun, what you do as a job. Feel free to pause the screen. Then compare this with this list of categories that those 10 things are a part of. The categories include finances, being healthy, people psychology, technology and traveling. Matt will show you how to summon your list of ideas. Go to YouTube and search the category that you wrote down in step number 1. You find 3 channels within that category, and you find channels that are primarily based on what's being said throughout the video. Matt will show you how to do this, and if you've opened 3 channels now, you have a list of 30 ideas. Now this is the only part of this process where you do have to do a tiny bit of work, but trust me, It is way better than any other online job or YouTube channel idea that's out there. That's precisely because you can keep making money for years into the future even if you're not working. Feel free to use multiple videos as inspiration. Take the best aspects of each video and add in anything you know as well, in order to add the most value. After this, pull out your phone, open the voice recorder app and then simply read your script. Matt will address how to get unlimited content, without having to run into copyright issues. So now we have our talking audio file that we recorded on our phone. Let's say we were running a travel video about the top 10 little-known best countries to visit. Let's say one of those countries was Azerbaijan. This is a country that most stock footage websites may not have stock footage for. However, if we search this, as you may see, we have about 91 clips that we can use on this obscure country. Let's say we need music in the background of our videos. Matt will show you how to get free music, sound effects, images, basically everything you need. There are tons of different options which he shows in his free course. The best thing about this is, you're not going to have copyright problems like you could potentially have if you do compilation videos or anything like that. In order to do this, all you have to do is import your audio file and video footage into a video editing program. Then it's as simple as dragging and dropping your clips right there. You can really get creative with how you piece these together. But you don't have to do anything too crazy in order for it to work. Once you've pieced everything together, you can simply go to File Export to make your master file. Then you're good to go. You can now upload your video to YouTube. If you've followed everything in Matt's teaching up to this point, then you've successfully created a video for YouTube without showing your face. You can continue to do this over and over again, by referencing different channels in your niche and getting inspiration from them. So, that is just a start. Matt went from a completely broke high school student at the age of 14, to now making $30,000 a month with YouTube. Matt wants to show you how to do the same. So check out the link at the top of the comments below to see what we can do to help you to easiest way to make money on YouTube without making videos. So, Matt says, in conclusion, this is by far the easiest way to make money on YouTube that I've come across, especially if you don't have any money to start with or don't want to be on video. This is the easiest way to how you can make money on YouTube without making videos. We really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, it would mean the world to us if you could hit like, subscribe and ring the notification bell to this channel. Faceless AI Channels, How to Make Money on YouTube. Click the link at the top of the description. In today's digital landscape, making money online with someone else's video is not only possible but also a powerful strategy that many creators are leveraging. This approach enables individuals to generate income while maintaining privacy, focusing on content creation without ever needing to appear on camera. Our guru Matt, a seasoned expert with deep experience managing multiple YouTube channels' side hustles, is here to demystify this intriguing method. Through his extensive knowledge, Matt has refined strategies that empower creators to thrive on YouTube automation, even while remaining behind the scenes. Throughout this discussion, viewers will uncover actionable insights on how to monetize a YouTube affiliate business model without an on-camera presence. Matt will share 8 innovative video ideas and examples that demonstrate how to engage audiences and attract subscribers while keeping one's identity private. From AI faceless YouTube channels and voiceovers to curated compilations and educational content, these examples highlight the diverse potential in the YouTube cash cow 365 days niche. By following our guru Matt's guidance, creators can build compelling content that resonates with audiences, all while cultivating a sustainable income stream. Success on YouTube takes a little time, dedication, and experimentation. Setting realistic expectations is key, as no single formula guarantees overnight success. Whether you're just launching or refining an existing channel, Matt's expert insights lay the groundwork for thriving in the world of faceless YouTube content creation. Creating tech videos without showing your face is an effective way to engage audiences while safeguarding your privacy. A standout example in this space is Tech Zone, a channel that has captivated viewers with visually engaging, informative content. Tech Zone demonstrates how creators can produce high-quality videos using screen recordings, animations, and voiceovers without personal appearances. Maximizing revenue in this niche requires an understanding of high CPM YouTube categories. Advertisers pay more for targeted audiences, often making tech-related content like gadget reviews, software tutorials, and AI innovations particularly lucrative. Capitalizing on these niches can significantly enhance a creator's earnings potential while attracting a dedicated, tech-savvy audience. An additional advantage is collaborating with product owners. Many tech brands seek content creators to showcase their products, offering free samples or sponsorships in return. By forming these partnerships, creators can elevate their content and boost credibility. Furthermore, they can monetize their YouTube affiliate business model. By following Matt's blueprint, aspiring creators can tap into the AI-powered world of faceless tech videos. Statistic-based channels have emerged as a lucrative segment on YouTube, transforming raw data into visually compelling narratives. One of the most successful examples in this niche is Wawa Muse Stats, which has carved out a following by simplifying complex trends through engaging visuals and analysis. Launching a statistics channel is easier than ever, thanks to free software tools like Canva, Google Sheets, and OBS Studio. These resources enable creators to design compelling graphics, compile data, and deliver seamless voiceovers without requiring extensive technical skills. Beyond content creation, these channels have a high monetization potential. The nature of statistics-based videos often attracts an engaged, niche audience, which translates into higher CPM rates. By leveraging the power of AI and automation, creators can streamline production while scaling their revenue. Our guru Matt's insights into YouTube automation will help anyone looking to establish a data-driven channel that both informs and generates income. The health niche on YouTube has exploded in popularity, attracting millions seeking information on wellness, nutrition, and fitness. One of the top-performing channels in this category is Natural Cures, which has successfully built an audience by delivering informative content on holistic health remedies. Quality visuals play a crucial role in keeping viewers engaged. Platforms like Pixabay offer free images and videos that enhance production value, eliminating the need for expensive equipment. By using AI voiceovers and stock footage, creators can streamline content production while maintaining high-quality presentation. One program of excellent reputation for video creation is Pictory. You should get this one. See link in description below. Affiliate marketing presents another major revenue stream in the health niche. By promoting wellness products through carefully curated recommendations, creators can earn commissions while providing value to their audience. Following our guru Matt's approach, health creators can establish a thriving AI faceless YouTube channel without the stress of appearing on camera. Quiz videos have rapidly gained traction, captivating audiences with their interactive and entertaining nature. A leading example in this niche is 1 Million Test, a channel that has drawn a vast audience by creating engaging and thought-provoking quizzes. Stock footage plays a key role in this format, allowing creators to compile visually engaging quizzes without requiring on-camera involvement. The viral nature of quiz content often leads to higher engagement, extended watch times, and strong ad revenue potential. These factors make quiz videos a smart choice for YouTube automation. As our guru Matt teaches, capitalizing on high engagement content and leveraging AI tools can transform a simple quiz channel into a profitable venture. Financial channels have surged in popularity, providing audiences with crucial insights into investing, money management, and wealth-building strategies. A prime example of a successful financial channel is Alux, which blends engaging visuals with in-depth financial education. Using stock images and AI voiceovers, creators can craft high-value content without appearing on camera. The financial niche often attracts high CPM rates due to its lucrative audience base, making it an excellent choice for those looking to maximize YouTube revenue. Matt's strategies emphasize leveraging automation and affiliate partnerships to optimize earnings. By following this proven model, creators can build a sustainable financial YouTube channel without ever stepping in front of a camera. Creating meditation videos without showing your face is a thriving approach on YouTube. A great example is Michael Seeley, whose soothing guided meditations have attracted millions of dedicated followers. Using high-quality stock footage and AI-generated voiceovers, creators can craft deeply immersive meditation experiences. Collaborating with skilled freelancers for professional narration can further enhance content quality, ensuring an optimal viewer experience. Meditation content often sees high view counts and long watch durations, making it ideal for YouTube automation. Our guru Matt's expert insights into this niche will guide creators in developing monetizable meditation channels that generate passive income year-round. Woodworking channels have carved out a dedicated following on YouTube, with audiences eager to learn crafting techniques and DIY projects. By focusing on hands-on demonstrations rather than personal appearances, creators can produce high-quality content while maintaining anonymity. Partnering with skilled artisans can enhance content authenticity, while affiliate marketing opportunities such as promoting tools and courses can significantly boost revenue. Following our guru Matt's guidance, woodworking enthusiasts can monetize their expertise through faceless YouTube automation. Exploring faceless YouTube opportunities, Matt has laid out a roadmap for making passive income from YouTube without showing face. Whether through tech reviews, AI-driven statistic channels, or meditation content, the potential to build a profitable online presence is vast. By utilizing AI, stock footage, and automated tools, creators can efficiently scale their YouTube automation business. If this insight resonates with you, consider subscribing and sharing this knowledge with others. The path to success is clear. Start your journey today with our guru Matt's proven.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters: growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.